Hello, Richard here from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We have working on this SCAR H NGRS. This one we have done a service on. So it came in for blowback not working, so we've checked all the components of it and all seems pretty functional. What we think is that there was a couple of screws in the wrong place and they were over tightened onto the actual mechanism, and that was stopping it working, so we'll put the screws in the correct positions. We also obviously have serviced it. There was a request for the customer to look at double shooting. That seems to be fine. We're running the version 3 firmware, so it seems to be okay. We've got the so it says open to upgrades. We've replaced the cylinder head. We've put the Prometheus Gears inside. We've got the upgraded recoil spring set, a new spring, and then obviously we've rebought the gun. We're getting 258 on 3.2s, and we've done some range testing on it, and we were happy to pass it. I think the only thing worth noting that Andy said was that someone's done a rear wired MOSFET on here, and then they've just brought the wires back and just dangled them out. I mean, it makes it just annoying to do all the wiring. It just doesn't reach, you know, so it's, you know, so basically I'm sort of recommending just sort of stuffing it down the side there. Suffice to say, you know, if there are any gun techs that actually watch these videos that do rear wired on SCARs, you know, stop it. So it's just, you know, it's fucking lazy if you ask me, and it just annoys me that people are putting the wrong MOSFETs in there and then, you know, charging customers for it. And it's, do it properly, follow the original wiring, put the front wire in, do the wiring up to here, then carry on at the back, copy the original TM wiring, extend it slightly here at the bottom, and then put a Dean's connector on if Dean's is the way you want to go. It's much neater. You can lay the wiring across here. It's just annoying, if you know what I mean. So but you know, the other techs do what they do, so all we can do is just keep pushing forward the recommendations of what they should do, and then hopefully they follow it long term. So that's me getting down off my high horse. So yeah, I'm just going to demonstrate it working now. There we go. So all working. We hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know. But yeah, we hope you have lots of fun with it. Thank you.